Well, it's really nice to be back here after 3 years. A lot of things have happened with Comtech during this time. So first of all, we closed the acquisition of UHP that adds some great capabilities to our portfolio. Second, we have restructured our brands a little bit, and now we are one Comtech. That means we have the Comtech SciComm brands under Comtech, as well as Memotech, Comtech EF Data, and finally the UHP products. We have also recently launched Comtech Elevate, that is the merger of the Comtech Heights platform and the Comtech UHP platform. So we're taking the best of the technology that people love with Heights and the best of the technology that people like with UHP, and we're merging it and introducing a brand new platform that will have a waveform called DRAM, that is an industry-leading waveform with very high efficiency from low data rates to high data rates, with an NMS that is scalable and super resilient and with very, very many nice redundancy options. So what's a little bit unique with Asia is obviously a very high population density, and most of the population in this region is plus minus 30 degrees or so around the equator. It's also many island nations, Indonesia, Philippines, and the South Pacific, obviously, that poses some unique challenges. And thirdly, the climate, the weather. This is a tropical region, so when it comes to providing services here, most of the services are provided in C and KU band because that is needed for high reliability. There's a lot less of KA band in this region for obvious reason, and Q and V band hasn't really have any traction here just yet. It may change in the future, but for now it's an area really focused on C and KU, and that drives the need for really efficient solutions to get the most over that limited spectrum that is available in those bands. Well, we have very efficient modems. We've always had market-leading waveforms, and now we have also the new Elevate platform that is bringing to market the DRAM technology that is using the industry-leading MFTDMA from the UHP heritage. That's a very, very high efficiency, and we're marrying that with the dynamic SCPC capabilities that we had in Heights, that is using the VersaFact 2 coding and modulation, that is also giving very, very high bits per hertz efficiency. So this allows our customers to get the most out of the C and KU capabilities they have in this region. We're marrying that also with our optimization equipment from our Memotech product portfolio that allows our customers to apply TCP acceleration and GTP acceleration, so consumers get good quality of experience from their services. It also optimizes the bandwidth, so we can get more throughput through the links and deliver better services to the end users. And finally, then we have RF equipment very well suited for this region in many different power levels, both SSPA and TWTA, to bring it all together as an end-to-end solution. Well, first of all, everybody is super excited to get together again. We've all spent basically 2 years apart now, and we get to meet again in person, and that allows the creative juices to start flowing again, and we can design great solutions for our end users at the end of the day. So that's one thing. There's also a lot of talk about virtualization and cloudification of our industry, and we're meeting that challenge with our new product lines, where we are moving some of our NMS functionalities, making it cloud-based, and many of our new products that we're launching are also launched in a virtual way. So for instance, our Memotech product portfolio, you can buy that as a software today and run it on your own private cloud or in a public cloud. Or you can choose to buy it pre-integrated with our hardware if you would like it as well. Another thing that is being discussed is the upcoming LEOs and MEOs, and they are pre-selling their capacity, and they are talking about their great solutions that they will bring to market. And this is a challenge for many geo operators and service providers that are reliant on geo capacities. So we have products in our portfolio now that enables those service providers and satellite operators to meet the challenges from the MEO and LEO constellation. And those are our super high speed SEPC modems, the CDM780, that is a brand new 500 megasymbol modem, along with our workhorse for many years, the CDM760, and we're bonding that together with a link bonding solution. And the link bonding solution from our Memotech FX product lines allows our customers to stitch together capacity from several different transponders and make it into one virtual large link if they so wanted to. So for instance, we have a customer, not in this region, it's in North America, that has stitched together capacity from many different transponders and is providing a link to an end user that is 3.5 gigabits per second of service. So there are ways to use geo capacity to provide really, really high throughput and high capabilities. It doesn't have to be in LEOs and MEOs, it can be done in other orbits as well. And then when you apply TCP acceleration or GTP acceleration, if you do mobile traffic to that, you get a solution at the end of the day that provides a similar quality of experience to the end user.